Welcome back student. Today I explain absolute value and negative of negative integer and first question of exercise 4b. I hope you have completed first question and you have tried other questions, but you always try to the other questions. Today I am going to explain self practice 4b, question number 2. Question number 2. Which integer in each of the following pairs is smaller? Take the correct answer. Smaller means, question number A, you compare the integer 7 and minus 7. 7 and minus 7. Which is smaller? So you know, positive integer always greater than negative integer. And you can say also, negative integer always less than positive integer. So 7 is positive, minus 7 is negative. So in this way, you can say smaller is minus 7. Minus 7 is smaller. Minus 7 is smaller. So it means minus 7 is smaller. Question number B, you see, zero and minus 10. 0 and minus 10. I have told already, 0 is greater than all negative integers. 0 is greater than each and every negative integer. It means 0 is greater and this minus 10 is smaller. So in this way, minus 10 is smaller. Minus 10 is smaller. In this way, you can write answer minus 10 is smaller. Question number C, you see, minus 13 and minus 5. Minus 13 and minus 5. On the number line, when you go 0 to left side, the value of the digit decreases. So here minus 13 is lie to left side of minus 5 on the number line, or you can say minus 5 is right to this minus 13. So in this way, for negative integers, if the number is lie to right side as compared to the other number, it means that is greater. So minus 5 is greater and minus 3 is less. So it is lesser. So it means minus 13. Minus 13 is smaller. Minus 13 is smaller. Also you can say like that. Minus 13 is less than minus 5. Minus 13 is less than minus 5. Minus 13 is less than minus 5 also. You can say like that. In this way you can represent. Next, 327, 492. Question number D, 327 and minus 492. So 327 is positive integer and minus 492 negative integer. So concept is there, negative integer always less than positive integer. Means the value of negative integer is always less than positive integer. So minus, it means minus 4, it means minus 492 is less than 327. Means 492 is less. Means is smaller. Also you can say minus 492 is smaller. So this way you can solve all questions. And question number 3, you do yourself, which is greater, which is smaller, you do yourself. Like that, third A, minus 4, one box is there and 0. So which is greater, which is smaller? So minus 4 is smaller and 0 is greater. So you can do like that. You can do like that. Third A. Minus 4. One box is there and 0. So 0 is always greater than all the negative integers, you know already. So it means you can mark like that, greater than. So 0 is greater than minus 4. 0 is greater than minus 4. In this way you can do B to I. All questions you can do yourself. Question number 4. Order the integers from the least to the greatest. Order the integers from least to the greatest. You see, least to the greatest. Least means smallest. Least means smallest. Greatest means biggest number. Greatest means biggest number. It means ascending and descending order. You can understand it, ascending and descending order. So least to greatest means ascending order. So 4. You can order the number least to the greatest. Least to the greatest. Least to the greatest means as ascending order. It means ascending order. Ascending order of the number. How can you do? As first given, minus 23, 15. Question is minus 23, 15, minus 15 and 0. You see, this is plus 15 means plus 15 and this is minus. So this minus and this minus integer always less than in value to the 0 or positive integer. So now in 15 and 0, which is greater? In 15 and 0, which is greater? 15 is greater. And smaller you see, minus 23 minus 15. 15 lie on the number line right to 23. So minus 15 is greater and minus 23 is smaller. So here least to greatest. So least number is 23. In this way, least number is 23, minus 23. So least number is minus 23. After that, minus 15. After that, 0. After that, at last, 15. So in this way, this number is as increasing order. Also you can say ascending order means increasing order. Increasing of the number. Increasing of the number. As smaller to bigger means smallest to biggest. So minus 23 is smallest and 15 is biggest. In this way you can order the number. Question number B, do yourself. Question number 6. Question number 5. You see, order the integer from the greatest to least. The same vice versa, greatest to least. It means question number 5 also do yourself. Do yourself, because in question number 5 it is given asking question greatest to smallest means greatest to least. So firstly, in this way you can order 15 first, after that 0, after that minus 15, after that minus 23, at last minus 23, because greatest to smallest. So method is same. You identify that which number is greater than as compared to which number. After that you can decide that which number will come first, which number will come as second number, as in the ordering of greatest to smallest. So in this way, question number 5 you can do yourself as greatest to least. But I am solving A. B, do yourself. 5A. You see 5A. 5A. Number is given minus 12, minus 95, minus 82, 0, 8, minus 4. You can see, firstly find out which is greatest. So you can see minus 12 negative, minus 95 negative, minus 82 negative, minus 82 negative, and minus 4 negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are negative, it means they are less than 0 and 8. Now greatest to smallest means greater to smaller, you can order the number. So in 0 and 8, which is greater? 8 is greater. So firstly write greatest number. Greatest number is 8. After 8, just less 0. After 0, just less the value negative integers which has the less number, which has the less digit as minus 4, that is greater. So minus 4. After minus 4, minus 12. After minus 12, 82, minus 82. After minus 82, at last minus 95. It means 8 is the greatest number and minus 95 is the smallest number. So in this way you have arranged like that. So I have also arranged this greatest to smallest. So 8 is the greatest number and 95 minus 95 is the smallest number. So in this way you can see if the integer having as in the numbering more but value is less. So in this way you can solve all questions. Be you solve yourself. Tomorrow I will solve question number 6, 7 and 8 for today's class. Thank you. You can complete this today only. Okay.